Welcome to the future of smart living. In this video, we'll guide you through the hardware installation process for a KNX home automation system. KNX is the international standard for smart home and building automation. It enables seamless integration and control of lighting, HVAC, security, blinds, and more. Before we begin, make sure you have the essential tools and certified KNX hardware components. KNX power supply, KNX bus cable, twisted pair, KNX actuators and sensors, DIN rail, screwdrivers, strippers, and a multimeter. A laptop with ETS software. Start by preparing your distribution board. Mount a DIN rail for the KNX modules and ensure power is off for safety. Install the KNX power supply first. It provides 30V DC to all KNX devices. Connect it to the main power and to the bus line. Use the green KNX certified cable. Connect the red and black lines to the plus and minus terminals of each KNX device on the bus. Mount actuators on the DIN rail for controlling outputs. Sensors like switches, thermostats, and motion detectors are installed in rooms as needed. KNX uses a decentralized, flexible topology. Ensure all devices are connected in a line, star, or tree format within the 64 device limit per line. With hardware installed, connect your PC to the KNX bus using an interface. Open ETS software to configure and assign group addresses to each device. After uploading your ETS project, test each component. Ensure every function behaves as programmed. For example, test lights turning on via wall switch, test blinds lowering automatically, and HVAC responding to temperature setting. Always follow electrical safety standards. Only certified KNX installers should perform hardware installation. Double-check connections before powering up. For more smart home guides, subscribe to our channel. KNX, the future of connected living, starts here.